Hey my babs, we're chilling in the cozy corner today and we're gonna do a little video on all my travel essentials because I'm going on 2 trips. Not one, but 2 trips, one short one and one very long one for 2 months. I'll show you all the things I like taking with me on a small trip and a longer trip. You guys already know I've been kind of sick lately, so I'm trying to drink some kombucha to heal my gut. Finally got my voice back though, which I'm happy about. Am I supposed to shake this? I don't even know. Okay, so this is my bucket of essential travel stuff. I have so many random things in here, so we're gonna have to go through everything to find what we need. So I'm going to Vegas first for 4 days, and then I'm coming back for 2 days, and then I'm off to Taiwan for 2 months. Most people don't travel for 2 months, and I know that, so let's do the short one first. I got this from Costco because my sister told me about it, but basically it's a mirror with a light. Very handy for doing your makeup on hotel beds. Okay, one of the things I put on this mirror is a magnet. Okay, MagSafe on this side. And then this is for your phone. And I stick it on there like that. Open it up, stick it on there. And then suddenly you have a light while you're doing your makeup in hotel washrooms. So let's look at essential makeup first. So a lot of my makeup consists of sticks. I feel like this is the best way to travel, is with little sticky things, because they don't take up much room and they're usually pretty versatile. I have a lot of these like concealer pens, as you can see. These are really handy for travel because they work for your aegyo, they work for contour, they work for concealer, a bunch of different things. So they are going in to the travel basket. I also do my eyeliner with eyeliner pencil. One thing about this eyeliner that I use is that it comes with a lid from Muji that is a sharpener as well. This is also really travel friendly. And you guys probably already know this, but I also do my eyebrows with more sticks. So all these will go in. And one obvious thing I will be bringing is sunscreen. This is my favorite one right now. Foundation wise, probably this one because it has SPF in it. There's so little left that I'm worried. And of course, bring yourself a powder if you're going to a hot place, a humid place. Last time I forgot this when I went to Mexico and I was literally just a shiny ball. You cannot forget a good lip balm. This is my favorite one right now. It's peppermint. It's like bee propolis. I like to feel the tingle, so bringing this one with me. Also, I forgot these. These are so cute and important. Little tiny makeup applicators. You can use them for foundation, BB cream, concealer. You put it on your finger like this and you pat. So these are cute ones if you want to bring one instead of a huge beauty blender. Now it's time for me to show off my tiny makeup. This is like the perfect makeup for travel. I have a tiny makeup display. This is all my tiny makeup, including these ones I'm holding. So this is my favorite eyeshadow palette to bring with me because it is so tiny. Now I have to decide between this one, or this one. Okay, well, Judy doll is my favorite right now, so I think we're gonna bring her. And like I said in the past, these multi-balms are so perfect for travel because it gets your cheeks, lips, eyes, and contour all in one. Okay, I'm gonna cough. That was such an old man cough. Ooh. Okay, brush time. I feel like I'm at a temple. Brushes that are double-ended are so good for travel. You have 2 brushes in one and it's easy to take around. So we're pretty full and pretty good for makeup. Let's pack it all into our little travel bag. I like this clear one so I can see where everything is. So, sticks at the bottom. Okay, perfect. I could probably bring more if I wanted to, but trying my best not to be a maximalist. So for 4 days, do you think this is a lot of makeup or too little? Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be packing a little bit more when I go to Taiwan. So here are some extra things I'll be bringing in my bigger bag. Definitely some pimple patches. These are the 2 that I'll be bringing. The glow ones for outside and then the Parnell ones for when I sleep. So I was thinking of taking an eyeshadow palette with me, but I think I'm only gonna take one. I think this one generally has most of the shades that I need in this Wake Make palette. At first I thought it was too dusty, but now I kind of like it. I'm probably gonna take one of these YSLs with me. Anything that's compact like this is perfect for travels. Although I do really like this color too. Help, which one? Nah, this one's cute. Also, I have to bring my stack of AOUs. Okay, I feel like I might have too much now. We'll see. It'll just have to all fit in here at the end of the day. I love how I'm acting like I'm not gonna buy more makeup in Taiwan. Like, maybe I don't even need to pack extra. So I just so happened to run out of like all my skincare.
Just finished this serum. Just finished this serum as well. Finished this. So there's a lot of empties. Maybe I should have just made an empties video.
Actually, I really like these Mixun bottles. I save them because they're 100 milliliters, which is the limit for liquids. So I'm gonna be putting some other skincare in these bottles. Okay, skincare is quite easy to pack. Micellar water, centella essence. I'm gonna be bringing this new serum because all my serums are out. Alpha-arbutin, hyaluronic acid, moisturizer. How I keep them in my little toiletry bag. Oh right, toothpaste, we also need that. I truly do keep all my dentist stuff because this works really well when I go traveling, like a small little toothpaste. Is it expired? No, it's not expired. One more year, November 2026. Little penny guy, put it right in there. Perfect. If you're bringing jewelry, this is a must. Have yourself a little jewelry kit. I like bringing this along to make sure that my jewelry doesn't get damaged or anything like that. Okay, and this last one is for the girlies. This is my hidden camera detector. It turns on and it's red, so you can see through it to look and see if there's any cameras. I haven't found one yet, so I don't know if it's been working really well or not, but I have it just in case. Gotta stay safe out there. There's real creeps out there, man. Okay, gotta bring in my handy backpack that my sister got me. I keep talking about it because I love this backpack so much. Inside already, small tissue. Never forget the small tissue and don't underestimate the small tissue because this will come in handy in so many situations. So I just checked the website and this front pouch on my backpack will not be able to fit into the personal item. So I have to take it off. Bye, front pouch. Down the hatch we go. These barely take any space. I have so much more space for everything else. Okay, we're all packed. 4-day trip. I don't think I'll need too much stuff. Okay, we are all packed up. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. And if you're also packing, I'm happy that we packed together. Honestly, guys, I'm so excited for my trip. I'm so excited to vlog it. I'm so excited to show you all the footage. I think it's gonna be a really good time. My first time in Vegas, so it's gonna be hot, I feel like. Maybe not that hot this time of year, but hot, like a hot trip, like woohoo, woohoo. I'm just so excited to vlog everything, have a good time, be in warm weather. Please, I need to leave this snow. Okay, mwah, mwah. I'll see you later. Bye.